Commander Mason for Sergeant Woods.
I got you, kid. You're okay. Well, it took you so long, so I think you weren't gonna make it. What the fuck was I doing there? The dead don't suffer. That's why you and I are still here.
You suffered with me.
Got a plan for you, kid. He's been working it for 30 years, and he is counting on you coming after him.
Wait a minute. Frank, you have intel?
Remember that pendant? Disappeared. But you think they sprouted legs and walked away? This guy, he knows every angle, every move you're gonna make. He's gonna take out 20 or 30 man people. As if that's gonna bring her back. It's about his sister.
He killed my father. To get to you.
Isn't a clean shot with that guy.
Hey! What the fuck happened in Panama?
I was pretty sure we got him in Nicaragua. About a year later, he shows up in Panama with that piece of shit Noriega. That's the last straw for the CIA. The orders come down from George H.W. for a snatch and grab. So your dad and I, we go in. What a shit show. Mason.
Woods. Good to see you, Frank.
You too, Alex.
5 years, Mark. We've been married for
Go around back.
years.
She's so
Do
fucking
it,
pissed.
Family? I thought this was about tomorrow.
It's about everything, Mark. I need something more in my life besides sitting around waiting to see what godforsaken country you're gonna move us to next.
Come on, Frank.
It's not enough, Mark. Not enough.
Hey, guys.
Hey, McKnight. Got the stuff?
Yeah, grab the sports bag in the shed.
Wife doesn't seem too happy. You didn't tell her about the invasion, did you?
No. Seems like I'm the only one who didn't. Heard it from Jacob's wife, and Steve's, and Bill's. Can you imagine how that made me look?
Why the fuck aren't we killing this guy? Huh? For all this shit he pulled in Nicaragua?
Well, higher-ups are sick of his scheming, but they want him alive.
This shit don't sound right.
Okay. Manuel Noriega, hereforth known as Objective False Prophet. It's a standard grab and smear operation. Destroy his public reputation, and minimize the chance of any uprisings in his name. The invasion will draw attention away as we go in with Navy SEALs.
Well, then we're all set.
Yep. Come on, I'll walk you guys out.
Thanks for the beer, McKnight.
I took the liberty of looking over some of your old case files. All that shit with the numbers. You really get brainwashed by the Soviets?
And they gave it their best shot. Just kids, McKnight. They ain't worth it.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Welcome to Panama, guys.
The mission was good. Planning good. The only piece that didn't fit was Hudson on the comm link running the show. Just felt off, even on the way in. Like, I felt it. You know, it was gnawing at me. I just look at it.
Hut! It's Mason. Bombing's begun ahead of schedule. Somebody you want to tell us?
10 seconds out.
Hudson, do you copy? No response. Continue as planned.
5 seconds. Go, go!
Night, it's Mason. We're in.
SEAL teams will secure the airfield and PDF Central HQ to prevent false prophets' escape. I'll provide overwatch from Building 12 off the battle map.
Didn't Hudson nix that plan?
If you did, you didn't tell me. Good luck, Mason. McKnight out.
Take him, Woods.
Clear! You know what they say? You're gonna fuck up, get it out of the way early!
¡Está en movimiento!
Mason, it's McKnight. I'm in position on Building 10. We have PDF units posted all over the airfield. Golf is walking into a trap. I've tried to warn him, but comms are bugging out.
We're on our way. Mason out.
What about false prophet?
Waiting Hudson's go. CIA's watching his every move. Don't think he's going very far. We need the high ground. Both teams, this is Mason, ready to assist. First ceasefire as we clear the rooftop. Damn, still problems with comms. Come on, what's going? Incoming! Left side!
I got you covered. Focus on supporting the SEALs.
Both team, this is Mason in the blind. Rooftop is clear. Check your fire. We are entering through the skylight. PDF, right below us.
fucking ready to go!
What? Hit him with an RPG! Let's get on it!
Noriega's plane is fucking ready to go!
What? Hit him with an RPG! Watch that truck! Let's get on it!
Mason. It's Hudson.
Damn it! Multiple enemies! Wrong level!
We have confirmation on location of False Prophet. Adelina Hotel, room 225. Move to secure. Hudson out. I have visual. Multiple targets outside the hotel.
Upstairs, second deck, east side.
You're clear.
On me. Ready, Woods?
Let's do it.
Secure him.
Give me a reason to blow your head off. Come on.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sealing your reputation.
This is not a deal. Call your boss.
Put your ass in a chair.
Hudson, it's Mason.
Go ahead, Mason.
False Prophet secure, moving to extract.
No, negative. Stand by for new tasking. Objective False Prophet has intel on a priority Nexus target. Escort him as PC to alternate location for prisoner exchange. More to follow.
Precious cargo, my ass.
Nexus target? Who's more important than this asshole?
I don't like it either, but let's just get this done. We're burning too much time.
The mission was snatch and grab. The fucking Hudson gets on the radio. Says that Noriega is not the mission. It's a handoff. He's a prisoner swap. And right fucking then I should have known. Like, right then and there. I should have known right then and there. Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? The fuck?
Just take it easy. Just take it easy.
Fucking Hudson. I should have smoked him in INAAM.
Bastards don't treat civvies any better than in Nicaragua.
And out of their minds on drugs.
Take them down. I'll keep the garbage in check.
Come on, you sick fucking bastards!
bastards don't treat civvies any better than in Nicaragua.
And out of their minds on drugs.
Take them down. I'll keep the garbage in check.
Come on, you sick fucking bastards! Get out of here! Go back to your home. Stay inside.
Mason, do you still have the precious cargo?
Affirmative.
Proceed to the army checkpoint beyond the slums. You'll be directed to the Nexus prisoner exchange site.
The slums are a war zone. I must be allowed to protect myself, eh? Give me a weapon.
Give him what he wants, Mason. That's an order. Hudson out.
Oh, damn it.
What are you doing?
You asked for a weapon. You didn't say anything about ammo. Better for all of us that no one recognizes you. Now,
Move! Woods, take point. I'll keep Noriega in check.
U.S. forces are pushing into the city. Invasion's in full swing.
We push north. Watch for friendlies and local non-combatants.
We got infantry all around. Stay in cover.
Take whatever route you can. Don't worry if we get split up. I'll handle Noriega. Move on my go.
Don't fucking move, you piece of shit! All right, let's go. Into the park!
We get heavy fighting on our left. Stay right at the dome.
Shit! This side's no better!
Push through. Don't get bogged down. Get your head down and keep moving.
Which way? Which way?
There's a church to the north. Your checkpoint should be just beyond it.
We're going to our left. All right, Woods. Right side, in the archway.
Did he go out like a soldier? Don't you tell me that fat fucking slob took him out. Don't you tell me that.
You didn't go down like that, kid. Noriega's a puppet. We're all just puppets. This place is a fucking mess.
that wasn't much better before the raid. Hudson, it's Mason. We're almost at the checkpoint. Just a couple more blocks. Hudson. Damn it. I don't know what the hell's going on with comms, Woods.
Don't sweat it, Mason. Tech's always screwing up.
Shh, do you hear that? I hear it.
He's hurt bad, Mason.
¡Objetivos a las dos! Shit! Noriega's running! More in front! Here!
him!
I knew we were giving that son of a bitch too much freedom.
Gunshots came from inside.
Did another team move to clear this building?
Don't think so. Before we bring in air support.
Move to clear this building.
Don't think so.
Call it in. I want to know for sure before we bring in air support. Civilian up there.
We got a man down. Get a medic. Holy shit.
Help me!
Up there.
Help!
On the ledge, 4th floor. Fuck! They went into the building. 012. Immediate fire request. West sector. Marking target with strobe. Everyone.
From this point on, you don't even fucking breathe! Unless we say it's okay.
Go to hell. Oh!
Hell, we've already been.
Move! Gunship strike! Inbound!
Okay, checkpoint's up ahead.
Good! Can't wait till this asshole's someone else's problem.
Yes.
Mason,
Hudson, where the hell have you been?
are you at the checkpoint?
Sirs, your transportation is ready. This way, sir.
Do you still have the precious cargo?
Yes. But who the hell is Nexus' target? What's more important than objective false prophet?
You have to trust me, Mason. You have to. Hudson out.
I may have questioned orders, but I never questioned motives. You take care of your unit, you get your guys home safe.
Roger that, Frank.
That's not how it is. Janica, it's fucked. I'm a soldier. I take orders, I get shit done.
Woods, your position.
They're moving to the roof of the south building.
Southwest building, clear on the west corridor.
Fucking comms!
This way! Everything is ready!
¡Objetivos a las 11!
No one must know I betrayed him.
Him? Hudson, who is Nexus' target? Hudson!
It's him, Woods. Nexus target is Raul Menendez.
You should have told us, Hudson. You should have told us.
We are ready. Bring him out.
They're bringing the son of a bitch out.
Confirm visual. End this now, Woods.
What are you looking so smug about?
The fuck is going on? What's going on here? Oh, no. Mason!
Fool.
You bastard! Fuck!
Menendez! best friend, Alex Mason, is dead. By your own hand. Do you understand why?
He was gonna kill David.
Because you must suffer, as I have suffered. Not one more must die. You, Woods, or David. Make a decision now, or in 10 seconds you're all dead.
Woods, I can't. I have 2 kids. They... Fuck! Okay, me! Do it! Do it!
Your life will be consumed by absolute loss. Then and only then will you understand what you have done to me. I would not kill you, boy. Not like Woods. You will suffer with me. And then one day, you will see this pendant again. And you will remember everything you saw and felt tonight. You will remember all the years of anger and pain. And when you do, David, please, come to me.
Dad. No! Dad!
There's nothing you could have done, Frank. It wasn't your fault.